สวัสดีครับ Welcome to C and C++ language. Now this is EP 26. This EP we will write a code loop in C++ language. We will write a for loop style. First is a for loop, then write code a while loop, do while loop, and finally we will bring that is a no programming use the loop. This is a Goto loop, Goto to make a loop. Okay, now we will first start by test the code in C. Here I write a code in C++ and this is the main functions and compile the code. Okay, here this code compile complete. Now we will write the loop for. First, we will making the loop for. The loop for loop is really simple for use in the programmer. And for the first programmer, right? First step, you declaration a variable used in the loop. First, in integer I, and for I from 0 to I less than 10, I plus here, and I show the number on screen. Like this. Okay, we will compile the code and then I will expand inside the code and compile and run. Here this is output is shows 0 to 9, right? But the for loop is most of the loop have a 3 parts. You should remember it is a 3 part. The first part is an integer value here, the integer value part, and then the second is a condition, changing condition. And here this is on not changing condition. This is a termination condition. And the next is changing the value. For the for loop, the path or flow of the for loop start by setting the I value is a 0 first, and then check this condition in the second. And after that, do the statement inside the loop. After the statement completes, is moving up to changing the value and check the condition, termination condition, and move to the statement. The loop path is doing like this: check condition, move to doing inside the body, statement in the body, and change the value and check and condition like this. Okay, here example I change the value is I plus equal to 2 plus 2 here and compile the code. You will see the output one like this. Okay, now for the comparison, I will show you the while loop. The while loop, when you use the while loop, the first step you should declaration integer value. Here, this is an integer value. Then you write while code here and put a condition. Please remember the condition. If the condition is true, it is running inside the loop. I is less than 10. Here, this is true. And this is a second pass for the termination condition. And the third here, this is the code body. I put C out. I write C out here, and I am changing the value. Okay. For the while loop, you will see the result here. It is similar to the for loops. Yeah, this is show 0 to 9, and you can change number plus 2 like this. What's happened when you forgot the put the changing the value? Example here, I forgot or write the code wrong, the code in the changing the value. It is maybe generate the infinite loop like this here. This is a view show on screen. This is a infinite loop. You don't worry. You can paste the control C to stop the loop here. But in some system, you cannot stop. You should turn off some system. Okay, the next step here, I will show you the third type of the loop. That is a do while loop. Here, this is a for loop. I put space the separator here. And the third is a do while loop. How writing the do while loop? Do while loop is different from the while loops. The do while loop is a doing inside the statement first, and then after that it will check the condition and moving up to run the code. The code you write, the first step, write the initial value. And then write to here. This is a body. And inside this, you write the changing cout, changing the value. Here I plus. And don't forget check the condition. This is a condition checking after do the code inside the statement inside the do while loop. And the condition is similar to the while loops. This is a true. Condition is true, run inside the loop. Don't forget place semicolon here. And then I write cout in line like this. Okay, now I compile the code. Here, this is a do while loop output here. And the finally here, this is I don't recommend you use in your program, but you know this for in some situation you cannot think about the do while loop or for loop, but you use this to solve in this situation. You maybe you use this. Here, this is I say it again. I don't recommend use this. This is a loop. This is a go to loop. Is example here. Example I start set the value initial value and loop start. Why I don't recommend use this? Because you can go to any path on your code. That is, you cannot control the flow on your system. That is the reasons why I don't recommend use the Goto. Here, cout inside this. This is a not scope. I cout. Here. This is like as a labels. This symbol is labels, and then here I for this loop I should check the if condition to move outside the loop. If is over 10 go to escape here, and this is go to command, go to loop start. like this. Oh, I forgot write the semicolon here, like this, and then put the label escape here. I will explain the code. This is labels, and this is the statement in the scope of this. But this scope I don't write the user this symbol for the start the scope here. This is but you can move to any part in your code when you use a Goto. That I don't recommend write the code here. If the condition is true, it will go to escape here. Okay, now I show the output. I forgot something. You look at this code. What is this? I forgot to put the I++ here, and then compile the code. What's this? Okay, I will check what happened in my code. The first step here, we cannot run and debug. I will disable the first line, the first pass, and then I save and recompile it again. Okay, here this is the output that is shows 0, 1, 2, 3 until to 11, and it is have a special selector here because of cout line. Okay, here this is a Goto to make a loop here. And why this is making the infinite loop? And for the code, maybe it is generated from this. This is for debugging the code. This is correct. Maybe it is long about the save the file. Okay, and compile again. Okay, here maybe is when I save this on text mesh, and the text mesh is a saving, and then during it save I compile the code. Maybe it is a run the previous version, Okay, here I will conclude here. This is a first. This is a for loop. For loop is very simple for any programmer use, and this is a fixed size, fixed start and end the loop, and this is a causing the condition start and change in the one line. And here this is used for in some condition that you check the condition before do the statement inside. You apply while loop. And for the few words, maybe you do the condition first, and then you check the do the statement first, and we'll check the condition. You should use the do while loop. And this I don't recommend you use in when you cannot solve in some situation. You can bring this to solve any when you have some problem by use the Goto loop. Okay, here this is a complete for the loop, and see you next episode สวัสดีครับ